How to turn on or turn off customized calendar app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down to and click on customization service. After click on customization service, so you will see second option is calendar. If you want to turn off calendar, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see calendar is turned off on customized app. If you want to turn on calendar on customized app, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see customize app calendar is turned on. You will turn on or turn off calendar from customize app from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off customized calendar app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.